So I'm gonna try and get this to be veteran. It's pretty hard. I usually get it to be harder. But we'll try. It'll probably take 3 tries or something. Okay. Oh, right. I forgot to mention I'm trying to get it to be veteran pistol only. So even this part, I'm not allowed to use. They want me to equip the MP5.
Equip your MP5.
Okay, whatever.
On my go, I want you to rope down to the deck and rush to position
So
1.
I'm gonna try and complete this
storm
pistol
down the
only.
stairs to position 2. Then
It's
hit
just hard
positions
because
3
I
and
have to hit all my
4,
shots
precise
before I run out of
instructions at
ammo.
each position. Grab the rope when you're ready.
But we're gonna try it.
Hit the target. Position 2. Go. Hit the targets. Flashbang through the door. Hit the targets. Position 5. Go. Hit the targets. 6. Go. Flashbang through the door. Hit the target. Final position. Go. Sprint to the finish.
Yeah, that was
But I've seen better.
pretty bad.
Climb up the ladder if you want another go. Otherwise, come over to the monitors for a debrief.
We're gonna definitely take another try. I got stuck on a lot of places, but I missed quite a few shots. Alright,
So,
what?
equip your MP5. Grab the rope when you're ready.
That's hilarious.
That was better.
Dang it.
Not great.
Yeah, that time I got hardened.
Climb up the ladder if you want another go.
That's what I
Otherwise,
usually
come over
get.
to the monitors for a debrief.
If I don't miss that last shot, like I
Replace
keep
any
doing,
flashbangs you used. Equip your MP5.
then I have a shot.
Grab the rope when you're ready. To the finish. You're getting slower.
Yeah.
Perhaps it was a mistake to let you skip the obstacle course. Climb up the ladder if you want another go.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
I
come
missed
over to
like
the
half of my
monitors for a
shots there.
Replace any flashbangs you used. Grab the rope when you finish. That was an improvement, but it's not
Dang it.
hard to improve on garbage.
Yeah.
Try it again.
I
Climb
could
up the
have
ladder if you want another go.
reduced my time there
Otherwise,
by
come over to the
probably
monitors for a
another 3 seconds.
Replace any flashbangs you used. Equip your MP5. Grab the rope when... Don't waste our time, so... The idea is to take less time, not more. Climb up the ladder if
The
you want
idea
another
is to
go.
take less time, not
Otherwise, come
more.
over to the monitors for a debrief. Replace any flashbangs you used. Grab the rope when you're ready. Go, go, go! Hit the target! Position 2, go! Hit the target! Flashbang through the door! Hit the targets! Position 4! Position 5, go! Hit the targets! 6, go! Flashbang through the door! Hit the targets! Final position, go! Sprint to the finish!
Dang it.
That was better. Not great.
Still,
Climb up the ladder if you want another go.
probably 2
Otherwise,
seconds,
come up to
3
the monitors for a
seconds,
debrief.
2 seconds probably that I wasted.
Replace any flashbangs you used. Grab the rope
Just
when you're ready.
running
Go,
around.
go, go! Hit the target! Position 2, go! Hit the target! Flashbang through the door! Hit the targets! Position 4! Position 5, go!
Jeez.
Hit the targets! 6, go! Flashbang through the door! Hit the targets! Final position, go! Sprint to the finish!
Yeah, I messed that up.
Good soap.
I missed a lot.
But I've seen better. Climb up the ladder if you want another go.
I
Otherwise,
can't
come over to
imagine
the
getting
monitors for a debrief.
15.1. That's insane.
Replace any flashbangs you
Now I know I'm
used.
messing up a lot,
Grab
but
the rope when you're ready. Go, go, go! Hit the target! Position 2, go! Hit the targets! Flashbang through the door! Hit the targets! Position 4! Position 5, go! Hit the targets! 6, go! Flashbang through the door!
I know I messed.
Final position, go! Sprint to the finish! Pretty good, Soap.
Dang it, I missed it by like
Climb up the ladder
half a
if you want
second.
another go. Otherwise, come
If
up
I
to
hadn't
the
forgotten to
monitors
throw that flash, I would have had it.
Replace any flashbangs you used. Equip your MP5. Grab the rope when you're ready. Go, go, go! Hit the target! Flashbang through the door. Hit the targets. Position 4. Position 5. Go. Hit the targets. 6. Go. Flashbang through the door. Hit the targets. Final position. Go. Sprint to the finish.
No.
All right, Soap. That's enough. You'll do.
That's not enough.
Climb up the ladder if you want another go. Otherwise,
So
come up
yeah,
to the monitors
I
for
have
a
to
debrief.
hit literally every
Replace
single
any
shot
flashbangs you used. Equip your
perfectly
MP5.
to have enough
Grab the
ammo
rope when you're ready.
to get the veteran difficulty.
Go, go, go!
I cannot miss.
Hit the target!
Dang it.
Position 2, go! Hit the targets! Flashbang through the door!
Already failed.
Shoot the remaining targets. Position 5, go! Position, go! Sprint to the finish! Don't waste our time, Soap. The idea is to take less time, not more. Climb up the ladder if you want another go. Otherwise, come over to the monitors for a debrief. Replace any flashbangs you used. Grab the rope when you're ready. Go, go, go! Hit the target! Position 2, go! Hit the target! Flashbang through the door! Hit the target! Position 4! Position 5, go! Hit the targets! 6, go! Flashbang through the door! Hit the targets! Final position, go! Sprint to the finish! That was better.
I missed too many
Not
shots.
great. Climb up the ladder if you want another go.
Dang
Otherwise,
it.
come over to the monitors for a debrief. Replace any flashbangs you used. Grab the rope when you're ready. Go, go, go! Hit the targets!
Rip.
Hit the other targets. Position 2, go! Hit the targets! Flashbang through the door! Hit the targets! Position 4! Position 5, go! Hit the targets! 6, go! Flashbang through the door! Hit the targets! Final position, go! Sprint to the finish! Alright, Soap, that's enough. You'll do.
If I hadn't messed up the
Climb up the
beginning,
ladder if you
I
want
would have
another
had it.
go. Otherwise, come over to
Dang
the
it.
monitors for a debrief.
That was perfect. Jeez.
Replace any flashbangs
So
you
frustrating.
used. Grab the rope when you're ready. Go, go, go! Hit the targets! Position 2, go! Hit the targets! Flashbang through the door! Position 4, hit the targets! Position 5, go! Hit the targets! 6, go! Flashbang through the door! Hit the targets! Final position, go! Sprint to the finish! Alright, Soap, that's enough. You'll do. Climb up the ladder if you want another go. Otherwise,
Alright.
come over to the monitors for a
Got
debrief.
veteran pistol on me.
Gentlemen,
That
the
took
cargo ship mission is a go.
7 tries, I
Get
think?
yourself sorted out. Wheels
Something
up
like
at
that.
0200. Dismissed.
Veteran, boys.